Boosting your online visibility can be one of the most challenging tasks for creators and online entrepreneurs. To attract more customers from the internet, you need to be found. Yes, creative content is important, but so is the tech to boost your SEO. If SEO seems like a mystery to you, let's simplify it with some tools and get you rocking online. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about making your content discoverable and appealing to both search engines and your audience. Let's start with keywords. These are the phrases your audience types into search engines. I use specific tools like Answer the Public and Google's Keyword Planner to get the right keywords and then weave them into my content titles and meta descriptions. But SEO is more than just keywords. It's also about the quality of your content. I focus on creating valuable, informative posts and videos that answer real questions and engage my audience. I use GoHighLevel to optimize my SEO metadata with titles, descriptions, and keywords. And it's important to add your name to your social images, which can help them show up in Google searches. A simple yet effective GoHighLevel feature. A well-structured website is crucial. I ensure my site is user-friendly, loads fast, and is mobile responsive. This not only helps with search rankings, but also improves the user experience. I use GTmetrix to check the page load speed, and I use GoHighLevel to optimize my images as I'm building. Another key aspect is building backlinks. These are links from other websites to yours. I achieve this by creating shareable content and collaborating with other creators and industry websites. Remember, effective SEO can significantly boost your online presence. It's about combining technical know-how with creative content strategies, and GoHighLevel can be a powerful ally in this journey. For more tips on enhancing your digital footprint, be sure to check out my other videos. And if you're interested in boosting your online presence to get more customers from the internet, tap into the free training and resources over at nicholaspap.com. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. I can't wait to help boost your online visibility and start rocking it online. See you in the next video.